Hello guys, Windows Update is a very important process. Everyone should always update the Windows to ensure we have no problems whatsoever. So if you are unable to update the Windows, or if Windows Update is stuck at 0% or any other percent, we will fix it. Make sure you watch the whole video and we will be able to fix it. So let's get started. So the very first thing we need to do is to restart the Windows Update service. For that, we just have to press or search in the search bar services. Once the service window is opened, we will go ahead and restart the Windows service. So I'll just maximize it and I'll select any of the service and press W. The moment I press W, I'll see all the services starts from W, and I'll look for Windows Update and scroll it down. I just found it. So make sure you just highlight the Windows Update, do a right click and click on Restart. The moment you do it, restart the whole computer and then try to update your computer. Alright, if this doesn't work, we will move to the next step, and that is free up the space. So make sure your computer, just go to the File Explorer. Just type File in the search and open the File Explorer. Go to this PC and make sure C drive have enough space. To update the Windows, we should have at least 10 gigabytes of space remaining. So if you have anything less than that, delete the unwanted files. Look for the big files. You can move it to the flash drive or external hard drive. Ensure that we have enough space. The third is, if we have a lot of junk in the computer, let's say if we have temporary files, cache, bad registries, so we need to get rid of that as well. For that, we just have to press Window and R and type clean mgr and then hit OK. So it's CLEAN mgr. The moment you do it, this cleanup utility will come. Make sure you check mark all the things and then hit OK. The moment you do it, you will be able to get rid of all the junks, registries, cache file, temporary files which is not created by you. So once this is done, restart the computer and then try to update. If that doesn't work, we will also look for the firewall. For that, you just need to press Window and R and type firewall.cpl. You can pause the video and note it down, firewall.cpl, and I'm going to hit enter. Pardon me. Now here, make sure this is turned off. So you just have to turn it off for temporary basis. So I'm going to turn it off from here, turn off Windows Update. From here you can turn off and then click on OK. So we are just doing it for the temporary basis and then try to update the Windows. If you have installed any antivirus program in your computer, for that we just need to click on this up arrow key, look for the antivirus program, just do a right click and there will be an option for settings or turn off for 1 hour until restart or something like that. So turn off on for temporary basis, like for an hour, for 30 minutes, and then try to update the Windows. That is very important, and in most of the cases it fixes the problem. If that doesn't work, the last step and very effective step is troubleshooter. So we just have to type in the search bar troubleshoot, and the moment you type troubleshoot, you will find troubleshoot settings. Here, click on additional troubleshooters, and here you will find Windows Update. So the moment I click on Windows Update, run the troubleshooter, follow the online instructions and restart the computer. Let me know in the comment section if that doesn't work. Trust me, I reply to each and every guys. I'll try to help, and I'll see you in the next video, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Take care.